today we have 3 surprises to check out. We have a Minion Super Surprise Egg, we got FILLY Fairy blind bag, and we have a pink round ball to open. But first, this is my cute birds that you will hear chirping in the background of this video. Let's start checking out the pink round ball. What's inside? Let's pop it up. Pop. And what do we have? Wow, look! It's a keychain with Hello Kitty and Momoji. This is really cute. There's a little girl holding a Hello Kitty. And the keychain. And here's the little Momoji and Sanrio plate. Cool. Okay, so let's check out the FILLY Fairy blind bag now. It's a pink blind bag. And here is all the cute FILLY horses. And they are made with crystallized Swarovski elements. This bag is super cute. And look, here's all the ones you can collect. And the most special one is this one, Magic. And this one has Swarovski, pink Swarovski on the horn. And here is all the other to collect. Okay, so let's open the bag. Which one did we get today? Oh my God! We got Magic! Wow, that's the #1 to collect, and we got it! That's unbelievable! And when you get the Magic one, you get this little booklet as well. And look, I can't believe we got the Magic one! Wow! The Magic unicorn with a pink Swarovski. This is so neat. Okay, so let's check out Magic. Here is Magic. I can't believe we got the #1 of the fairy. Check out her pink Swarovski crystal. And Magic has a golden crown, and she is white, and she has pink tail and mane, and even her feet are pink. Look how the crystal is shining in the sun. Wow, that is so cool. We got Magic. I can't believe it. Alright, so we have one more surprise to check out, and that's the Minions Super Surprise Egg. Cute Minions. Let's open up. And we have a pink egg. pop it open. We got a bag of candy. Yummy, yummy. And here's a surprise. Let's open. And we have a Minions keychain. Super cute, and it's all fluffy with air inside. And look, the Minion has his teddy under the arm. So cute. And it's all fluffy. So what else do we have in the egg? We got a yellow sticker. And also the collector's guide. Okay everyone, that's it for this video. Enjoy the summer and go out in the sun. Have fun guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Thank you for watching Fun Toys and Happy Surprises channel. Click or tap on this video to watch it. If you want me to make more fun videos like this one, then make sure to like and subscribe. It's free. Take care everyone and see you all in the next video. Bye!